Hey Ms. Pinto, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. This is the video that I promised you, and all I ask in return is just for your feedback, whether that be through email or calling me. That's all I ask, is just to let me know what your thoughts are on this video. So the general gist here is to rank in Google for these select key terms, and especially in this map pack and organically #1 overall. And I picked these select key terms because I know that Ahrefs is this tool that I use, and it shows me that there are quite a few hundred people searching for the service that you offer every month. Just this one word in particular gets about 150 searches every month, and so you can see I think it adds up to right about 260 people actively searching for a general contractor in Miami every month. And so those are people looking for remodels and builders. Okay, so the three main ways that you can rank in this Google Map Pack and organically #1 overall for a general contractor in Miami. It all starts with the content on your home page. And so if I copy everything that you see here on your home page and I throw it into this word counter here, including all of the images and what they're saved as, shows me that you guys have 273 words on your home page. Google typically wants you to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words, and they would want that to be rich with these specific keywords. So they would want your home page to have those keywords on here in order to make you more relevant to these searches. The second thing is, if we took your URL here and threw it into Ahrefs, then it shows me the back end of your website. Okay, and as you can see here, you guys have quite a bit of backlinks, but your trust flow, that's what this is, from Google trusting you, is not as high. If you want this to be a health rating, you would want them to be as close as possible. So if it was 21 and 21, that would be nice. However, it is not, and it looks like you guys have 629 backlinks coming from just 43 different websites. So those are pretty scammy backlinks that you have going. And basically what a backlink is one website linking to yours, which passes power and relevance. And it's kind of like a vote from that website saying you should be ranking for select keywords. And that's probably why, is because you have a lot of scammy websites coming that are referring you, and a referral from a scammy website isn't going to do you any good. So the third and final thing has everything to do with this Google Map Pack, and I'm going to use your competition as an example. They have right about 40 citations, and what a citation is the business name, business address, and business phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as the Chamber of Commerce for Miami, Yelp, Facebook even has one, and that just helps verify your business in this Google My Business page. Okay, and then this will increase your conversion rates. So instead of having 50% of the people click on your website down here, it jumps up to about 65%, because you're a lot more verified, not just in Google's eyes, but also in the consumer's eyes. And this also shows up on mobile devices more, so a lot more people are using their mobile devices. Anyways, I hope that this was informative and worth your time. Again, all that I ask is that you give me some feedback via email and just let me know what your thoughts are. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.